this is a review of the RYOBI 18-volt battery charger that I would definitely recommend. You can see here that it is wired, but you can see the battery charger is very long and it is wired, but I can see that the charger itself is extremely long. So if you're trying to charge this up from some far locations, then this is very useful. And also, if you own any accessory from RYOBI that's 18 volt and you're wanting to charge up your battery charger, then this could charge it up very well. I'm going to show you guys and demonstrate to you on how you exactly use it. It's very simple and easy. You just charge this up to an outlet, and then after that you get your battery charger and then you charge it up. Or right here, there's a slot, you just push it there and it should charge up. But I'm going to be showing you guys on how easy it is and simple it is to charge up your devices. So you can see how simple and useful this thing is. So pretty much all you have to do is just charge this to your outlet. So you do that. And then from here, you see my 18 volt RYOBI lithium battery itself. And then you get the charger itself. And you just have to just push it in just like this. You don't have to press it too hard. You just, just like that. It's very simple. And then right there, you can see that it is charging up very fine and perfectly. You can see that the green indicator is lighting up and is charging up, and the charging lifespan is really, it charges up very quick as well too. You can see it shows you a indicator to show you where it's charging at from and how much it needs to be charged. But overall, I would definitely recommend the RYOBI battery charger if you're looking for a replacement set, or you're looking for a charger that you own any device from RYOBI and you need to charge it up, the battery itself that you see here. Then I would definitely recommend this, since it's very simple and easy to use and it's durable and it charges up very quick as well too. Then I would definitely recommend the RYOBI battery charger for all of your accessories that you own from RYOBI.